Are you guys racing? Are you guys racing, or are you a choo-choo train?
Racing.
You're racing. Who's gonna get around the kitchen first? Ready, set.
Me too.
Go, go, go! Who's gonna get there first? You better hurry. Oh, she's getting ahead of you. Abby's taking the lead. Oh, the bear's gonna get the doggy. Daddy Lion, are you gonna keep going? There you go. The bear's gonna get the doggy. Growl! Woof, woof. Yeah. There's a what? A red light. What does that mean? That's right. Okay, so now you. Yes, you did. Good job.